All right, so to put a peephole into your front door, you are gonna have to drill into it, so don't be scared. But you just really need some basic stuff. This costs about 10 bucks at Lowe's, and it just screws into itself like that, so it's adjustable. And make sure you have the right size bits before you start drilling. I'd say measure from the outside, because this is where people are gonna see the most. So really just measure across and make sure you get the right height that you want, and make a little pencil mark of where you want it to be. All right, so I got mine measured out. It's gonna go right here, and you just need something sharp, put a little indent, start your pilot hole from. So next you're just gonna start with a really small pilot hole. Next thing is just to drill bigger and bigger holes until you can fit your peephole through. And this will be the last hole before we stick it in. It should tell you on the box what size you need, and I think I already said it, but this is a 9/16 hole. And then now take your peephole in 2 different pieces. I'm gonna make sure that this biggest piece right here fits through. And looks like it will. So we're good to go. Just clean up some of these the chip paint and everything on both sides before you stick it all the way through. So now the last step is to take your 2 pieces. This one goes on the outside. Go ahead and fit this one in. And then push the other one through, and you'll feel where it meets. And you can start screwing it in on the outside from here. You should really be screwing from this side once you get closer to it. You can see it's got a notch here and a notch here. So just find some really thin piece of metal. Probably a butter knife even would work well on this. And finish screwing that in. And once it's sitting flush with the door, it should be good to go. And you have a new peephole. There you go. Now I can see everything outside. And we're good to go. So there it is on the inside. And then here on the outside, you can see it's a pretty good look for the door.